Hello, this is Dr. Girish Gupta, and we will learn today the process of management. The process of management is concept given by Henry Fayol, and the process is a step-by-step method to use the things. And management is nothing new. Management is what that management does, and what is the management does? Management does 5 basic things, which is called the process of management. But before starting the process of management, I would like to tell you that management is the very old concept that we use in our day-to-day life, in marriage party, in birthday party, and in all sphere of life we use this thing. In this slide you can see the process of management have 5 basic steps. First is planning, second is organizing, next is staffing, directing and controlling. Planning is deciding in advance what is to be done, how is to be done, when is to be done, and who will do the things. Clear. It is the mental activity of the manager, and manager decides in advance the methods, policies, objectives and various procedures and various course of action to do the things. The second step is organizing. Organizing has the 2 basic things. The first is creating the network of responsibility and authority, and which involves delegating authority and centralization and decentralization, that we will elaborate these things in our next slides. And the second thing involves the organizing step is grouping all the related activities into the departments. As finance department, all related activities of finance grouped into the finance department, and all market related activities grouped into the marketing department. Likewise, the third step is staffing. It is a very crucial step because nowadays human resource management empowering the new dimensions. So this is the nothing. This is simply placing the right person to the right job, and this thing is done through the recruitment and selection. Recruitment can be done by the 2 methods, internal and external, and selection have some basic steps to scrutiny the right person. And it is called that recruitment is the positive aspect and selection is the negative aspect, because recruitment promotes the people to apply in the organization, while on the other hand the selection discourages the people by unfit by rejecting the unfit people. Now the directing have some basic things in the form of instructing, supervising the people, guiding them and motivating them. Motivation is the external reinforcement given to the people to attain the objectives, and leading them. Leadership involves in this, and these all things can be done to attain the objectives. It is the key managerial function performed by every manager. And the next and the last thing is controlling. Controlling is a very crucial and significant aspect of management process because it is connected with the planning. Planning is the mental activity which emphasizes the future course of action that has to be done. And when once decide the future course of action, the organization have some actual occurrence, have some actual happenings, and there must be comparison between the future course of action that has to be decided and the what is actually done, what is actually has been done. So there may be some variances, obviously there may be some variances, and these variances should be correct. So some corrective actions can be taken out, and in these corrective action either planning may be changed, or some actual performance may be changed. So these are the 5 basic steps, and we will elaborate these 5 steps into our further slides. Okay.